Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that life expectancy improved dramatically in the 20th century. We're given a table which shows life expectancy at birth in years of males born in the United States based off of their birth year. We're asked to use a scatter plot to choose an appropriate type of model and to use your model to predict the lifespan of a male born in the year 2010. So the first thing we're going to do is determine what our x and y variables are going to be for plotting the scatter plot. The y variable is just going to be the life expectancy. The x variable is going to be the birth year, but it's going to be in terms of years since 1900. It's helpful to do this because it will help you have an equation which you can actually understand, right? If the change is happening from 1900 to 2000, right? That's different from 0 to 100, at least for certain types of plots. And it helps to have points that are relatively low in value, because then, and obviously if a computer is doing this, then it doesn't really matter because it can do it perfectly. But if you're doing it by hand in any sort of fashion, you can understand it a lot better, which is why most of these problems will ask you to do this in terms of years since 1900. So I've plotted it here in this scatter plot, and we can see that while there's some variation in the data, the rate of change over time is relatively constant. Therefore, we can expect it to be a linear function, and therefore when we plug it into a linear regression calculator, we get this equation. Roughly y is equal to 0.25x plus 50.14. So we get that equation, and then we just have to plug in 2010 into the equation. 2010 is 110 years since the year 1900, so we plug in x is equal to 110 into this equation, and we get our y value. This calculator does it for us, so our estimate for 110 is 77.55. So it's the expected life expectancy for somebody born in the year 2010 based off of our previous data. And this also gives you another scatter plot, and you can see that the line of best fit follows very well.